This is Dan from Hosmer Chiropractic Health. We're going to talk about breathing and bracing techniques for you today. So a lot of the things we're going to start off with when we're picking something up, when we're lifting children, carrying groceries, most activities we want to make sure that our core and everything else around that is set and engaged in order to protect the low back and the spine. So we're going to take you through kind of a little bit of a progression today to kind of help you learn how to stabilize correctly. So we're going to start by lying down on our back. We're going to put one hand on our stomach, one hand on our chest, and we're just going to take a few good breaths here. From this position, what we should wanting to be seeing, if you watch my chest, is we want the breath to be started off in the belly and then finish up here. If we're breathing all up in the chest position, that's not going to set you up for an ideal breath and breathing position. So we want to see the rise and the fall of the stomach. After a few breaths, we're going to start by tensing our pelvic floor muscles, which are down low about the belt line here. If you don't know how to tense your pelvic floor muscles, the best thing to think about is imagine that you have to go to the bathroom, imagine you have to pee, and you're going to hold in your bladder. So you're going to engage that by holding the bladder in. We're going to take a breath into the belly. And we're going to imagine we're going to push our diaphragm down, push the air down into our feet. What we should be feeling is a strong contraction from the belt line up to about the abs here. Nice and strong all the way around, and exhale. What we want to be feeling is not only expansion of the air pressure forward, we also want to be thinking of the expansion of the air pressure out to the side as well here. Think about inflating. If you had a hula hoop or a tube around your stomach, you should be inflating the stomach 360 degrees in all angles here. So brace your pelvic floor muscles, take an breath in, push the air down into your belly. So I'm tight here. If I push in here, I'm also tight in this position. This is our breathing lock position for when we're going to pick things up off the floor or lift heavy things off the ground. So we can practice this movement standing up as well. So before we lift anything up off the ground, we're going to engage pelvic floor muscles, take a breath in, push that air down and especially out. From this lock position, now I'm ready to squat down and pick something up, hinge over and pick something up, keep you nice and tight. So go ahead and give that a try at home and hope you have a great day.